minute. So we'll do a picture comprehension today. And 1 second.
Hello, ma'am. In this, we have to write our own answer.
Yes.
Ma'am, there are no MCQs.
We have to write.
I wanted to make
Ma'am,
it.
you sent CD.
What?
Ma'am,
You sent
classroom.
We will discuss
Ma'am.
the answers.
Ma'am,
Okay?
we have to write small letters, no?
Wait. Let me send the link first, and then you'll be able to know what you have to do. Okay. Look into your chat boxes.
Okay.
And I'm posting it in the class also.
Ma'am, it is not in the classroom.
Refresh it.
Okay.
So it's going to be a comprehension, a picture comprehension. Listen carefully. Don't start attempting the form. What you have to do is look at the picture first. First, all of you will listen to the instructions. Look at the picture and then answer my question that I am asking. This is going to be two things that we are going to do. Picture comprehension. We are going to observe the picture and then write the answer. And this comprehension is also going to give you practice of present continuous tense. What is present continuous tense? What do we do in present continuous tense?
Hello, ma'am. In present continuous tense, we means do. It is means present only, but it is continuing after we are seeing it. It is continuing.
So what do we add to the sentence to make
we
it?
add am, is, are plus in the verb.
Very good. So if it is singular, we add is. If it is plural, we add are. And we add ing to the verb. Now, what do you see in the sentence? The verb is already given to
There is
you.
a have, so we have to write the other word is or anything, or and we have to add ing. So we have to write the both the words.
Two words. So it's listen. Listen first, I said. Listen to the instructions. So your answers will be three things. People, you're not listening. I'm not telling. All your form will go wrong. Switch on your cameras. Come back to the class.
Excuse me, ma'am.
All those whose cameras are off, no, all of you are on the form.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Viva, Rajveer, Suchi, switch on your camera. Yeah, Danya, tell me.
Ma'am, in the first question, he dash have.
I have not finished giving instructions yet.
Then there is one more. There.
Danya, I have not finished giving instructions yet. Manya.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, when I go to the form, my camera automatically gets off.
That's what I'm saying. Come back to the class. First listen to the instructions, then go to the form.
Okay.
Wait. Listen. You see a picture there? It's a picture of people enjoying at the lake. It's like a beach scene, right? It's not a beach, but it's like a beach scene. Do you see numbers written there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, What is the first sentence? Read it out to me, one of you. Danya, read. Danya, read the first sentence. Listen carefully. Nobody is going to start attempting the form. I'm telling you, it's all going to go wrong. Yes, Danya.
Example. He dash have a shower dash is having 4.
So what is the answer?
He is having a shower. Then in the second dash, I don't know what we have to do.
See, I'm reading it. He is having, and do you see number 4 there? Danya and the rest. Are you people seeing?
Yes,
answer?
ma'am.
Number
Yes,
4. And if you notice, all of you watch carefully, see carefully. If you notice, after all the sentences, there is a dash.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So that dash is for the number of the picture. Okay. Now, look at the example again. He is having a shower. You don't have to attempt this because this is an example. He is having a shower. And which picture shows that he is having a shower? Picture number 4. Correct. So what you have to do is you have to write the verb is having, and I also want the number of the picture. There are some extra numbers also given in the picture to confuse you. Okay. There are some extra numbers also given. So ignore them. They are just there to confuse you. Yes or no?
Ma'am, but we have to do count or not?
So your answer on the line should be is having 3, is having 6, is having 7, and a space between all the 3. Am I clear with the instructions now?
Yes.
That means
Yes, ma'am.
One by one you will ask.
We
And
don't have to
later nobody will tell me that check my form manually. I am not checking. I'm telling you right now.
hello, ma'am.
Because you people don't listen to the instructions and start doing, I am not checking the form manually. For sure. So what you have to do is you have to write is jumping number of that picture. Is laughing number of that picture. All letters to be in small. There should be a space between each letter. Is space having space number. Am I clear? Now questions. Moksh.
Ma'am,
All of, yeah, Moksh.
ma'am, did you repeat that instruction again that is having that?
So what was I doing right now?
Ma'am, I was means telling you that what is.
Huh? What are,
Ma'am, I can't hear.
you can't hear me, I can't hear you.
Ma'am.
Yeah, Suchi.
Ma'am, we have to write the example.
No, you have to start from number 1.
Ma'am.
Yeah, Tej.
Ma'am, in second one there are 2 answers. So we have to write 2 in second.
Ma'am.
In second.
Hello, ma'am. Like we have to write is having, ma'am, is space bar having space bar and then the number.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Excuse
Manya.
me. Ma'am, this lady, so we have to write the is, then the verb and the number.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, Danya.
Ma'am, we don't have to write the example, so I'm starting with the first number. So the example is showing this question is required.
Okay. I will remove that. Okay. Refresh it. All of you refresh it. So when there are two answers, suppose somebody asked number two. Number two is they dash a picnic table and they dash. So the answer will be they are sitting at a picnic table and they are eating. And which picture is this? Then you will add what? Then you will add the number. Which picture is this?
We have to put space or not, ma'am?
I don't know.
Ma'am, can you
What
send
were
the
you doing
link
when
again?
I was giving instructions?
Ma'am, can you send the link again? There
Yes,
was
you
my
can.
network issue. Excuse me, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. We have to put a comma after one answer, then another.
If the answer has two, for example, see question number 2 and 3, it has two verbs. So you will write they, in the answer you will write are sitting, comma, are eating, space, and then the number of the picture. Got it, all of you?
Ma'am, means after the last word we have to not add comma and we have to add space.
Ma'am. So, ma'am, my doubt is that if the first one it is are or is. I'm not saying that if it is wearing, so we have to put a space between them or not. Okay.
Obviously. Then it look like one word, no?
Ma'am. Okay, so between we have to put space in both. So if there is two and so we have to put one more space and write an answer.
You're not listening to the instructions behind because you think the somebody's question is not your question. So close my ears.
In there there is some wire na the speaker and I was moving it na because the sound was not coming. After it came by, so I think at that time you said. Ma'am, you have to do like that only na. Ma'am.
Listen, everyone, once again, for the last time. If there are two answers to the question, you will write is space sleeping, comma, are space jumping, space number.
Then after comma we will not add no space.
Did I say space? What kind of question is this, Moksh? Why are you confusing the rest?
Ma'am.
Why do you think which I don't say? Why do you hear what I don't say? Yeah, Vishrut.
Nothing, ma'am.
Jigar, tell me.
Yes, ma'am. After the answer, we have to write this number.
I don't know. I just came from Pakistan. I just landed. The way you just landed, no? I also landed the same way. How many times I've repeated this? You're busy in the form. You're busy with the form. How much ever I tell you, stop doing the form, listen to the instructions. No. I want to get a gold medal finishing it first. Let zero come in my form, but I'll be the first one to submit. For Follow the example and do now. What is in the example? Follow the example. Yes, Nishwa.
What is meaning of currently? Currently man. On ninth.
Ninth.
9.
One.
This then currently is written.
Ma'am, it is gentleman.
Oh, sorry.
I need to send you all to LKG, to understand English. How many of you have still not understood?
Ma'am.
Jigger, put your hands down.
Ma'am.
And all those who have still not understood the instructions will put their cameras on and raise their hands. Yes, Rajveer.
Ma'am, in third one there was two people are playing with tennis, but it is not showing the number.
Not showing the number means what?
Ma'am is saying that when they are playing tennis, no, there is it's not showing the number. It's at the floor.
What am I supposed to say? There is no number, children.
No, ma'am, there is a number.
I need to borrow my eyes.
Ma'am.
Yeah, there is.
Ma'am. We have to write in number or in spelling.
Number 4, 2. See the example, no? How have I written 4? Have I written FOUR or the digit 4?
Hello, ma'am. I have a question in 7. She dash relax on a blue beach towel. Then there is no means dash. Means we have to not write.
Which one did you say? 7th?
Yes, ma'am. There is no space, but there is the number on it.
You write the number. Write the number.
Okay.
Ma'am, what is meaning of paddling pool?
Paddling pool is the one you've seen. We have an indoor pool in which there is a plastic boundary tub, and we fill air into it, and then we put water into it, and we sit in it. See
Yes,
there?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You've seen, we can put it in a room also. So that's called a paddle pool. Submit your comprehension, because you people have not heard my instructions. How much ever I told you, listen carefully, stop doing. Vishrut, what is your question?
Nothing, ma'am.
Why have you raised your hand?
Sorry.
Ma'am, the Google form is showing that we need to do the example.
But I have made it not required.
But it is showing to do the example.
In mine, it is showing not required. When Mox told me, I immediately removed it. And who has submitted already? Vishrut and Nishwa, very good. Excellent. 6 and 2. These are my favorite students who can learn on their own. They don't need any teacher. They are teacher of themselves.
Ma'am.
But ma'am, it is
Nishwa gets 2 and Vishrut gets 6. Yeah, Manya.
Ma'am, but in mine it is showing you need to do the example or
or else it will not submit.
So, Nishwa, Manya, you type the answer there. Is whatever the answer is.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
But you'll not be graded for that because that doesn't have marks. Only 10 marks. Just write something. The right answer. 8 out of
Ma'am, in the 7th question, we don't have to write the number.
we have to write.
So there is no dash.
You have to write on the answer, no, beta? What do you have to do with the dash of the question?
Ma'am, we have to write in the answer.
Yeah. Every answer will have a number. And Vedant and not Vedant. Vishrut, Vedant, Nishwa are from a different world. They don't understand when the teacher says, children, don't submit. We will discuss and write. No.
Ma'am, when I'm submitting, it is not letting me submit because I've not done the example. It
And
is
what did I say just now, Vihan?
Oh, we can write anything.
Hello, ma'am. We have to write the number and in the example the number and the means form. No.
Ma'am, we have to write the numbers.
Yes, Ane. Did you find the numbers? Ane, did you find the numbers?
I didn't got. I didn't wrote the number, so I got 0.
Why? You didn't listen
Ma'am,
to the
what is
instructions?
meaning of blonde hair?
Blonde hair means golden hair. Orangish golden hair.
Ma'am, I am in the school, so I was connecting the network. That time you were saying the instructions.
But beta, you have example, no? Example. Example I have written, no? You didn't see the example also. You have submitted, Ane?
Yes, ma'am, I got 0. I didn't know that we have to write the number. I wrote the answer only.
Ma'am, what is meaning of paddling? Means paddle pool.
I don't know much.
I'm paddling.
When I was explaining, you people were not listening. Paige asked me what is a paddle pole, but you people thought, oh, that's Paige's question. Close our ears like this. Paige, where are you?
Yes, ma'am.
What's a paddle pool?
Ma'am, in our indoor sports, there is a one thing that is round, and in that we put water that is paddling.
Moksha,
Ma'am,
did you hear that?
Ma'am, I can't hear him.
Very good. Even I can't, ma'am, I can't hear you. This is what I can hear of what you are saying.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Manya.
Sorry, but I didn't understand. We have to submit or not? Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Half of them are confused. That's why I told them not to submit. Because they did not listen to the instructions that I was giving all the while in the first 15 minutes.
I was also confused, that's why.
So don't submit. Wait.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, let's discuss. All of you. So, number 1 is All those who are getting this option that you'll not be able to submit the form because you've not attempted question number 1 can write the answer is having and number 4.
Ma'am, we have to
Otherwise,
write number. Ma'am, we have to write number 1.
4. I said if listen. Number 2. Number 1 is this lady dash a yellow swimsuit and she is sunbathing. Give me the
Ma'am, may I?
answer.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
ma'am,
Manya. No
May
one
I
is saying AI because that is going to take a lot of time. I will call out the name one by one. Yeah, Manya.
Can I answer that one? Okay, ma'am. This lady is wearing a yellow swimsuit and she
And
is
she's
sunbathing. Number
The
is
num-
8.
8. Very good. So your answer will be is space wearing space 8. All those who did not listen to the instructions, are you listening or are you still not listening? No answer. Good. You'll definitely improve. Number 2, they dash at a picnic table and they dash. Moksh.
Ma'am, they are sitting at a picnic table and they are eating
Mhm.
2.
2. Very good. So the answer is are sitting, comma, are eating, space, and the digit 2. Everybody got it till here? Okay. Next. Dash, bats, and dash tennis. Stage. Give me the answer.
Yes, ma'am. They are holding bats and are playing. Number 13.
Very good. Number 13. Number 4. Vedant.
It is playing 10. That's the answer.
Excellent, Vedant. You have changed the verb come to play. Excellent. Bhavya, give me the answer for 4.
Is coming 10.
Very good. Is coming 10. Number 5. He dash his hair with a pink towel. Danya. Nishwa, switch off your mic. Where is Danya gone? Danya is not there. Danya? Yeah. Number 5.
Yes, ma'am. He is drying his hair with a pink towel. 12.
Very good. Number 6. Divit.
Yes, ma'am.
Number 6.
Ma'am, I will be done at CET.
What?
Mama, see, Mama, that Google form is done.
Vihan, give me the answer for number 6 quickly.
Number 6 na is putting number and 3 is
Very
putting
good.
3.
Is putting 3. Number 7. Nishwa. Number 7, Nishwa. Number 8, Granth. Nishwa, sleeping in my class. You better leave my class. Bye. Granth, number 6. No, number 7. Give me answer number 7.
Is relaxing 5.
Is relaxing 5. Good. Number 8. Dhyan Patel.
Are playing 15.
Are playing. And number is?
15.
Very good. Number 9. Jigar.
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, answer is swimming number 1.
Very good. Niva. 10.
Is 1 minute. Is sitting number 14.
Very good.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
My
Niva.
question two, I had a comma mistake.
Question number.
2.
Yeah, you have to put a comma. Are sitting,
Yes.
comma, are eating 2.
No, ma'am, I have put a comma, but I forgot to leave space, so it is showing wrong.
I'll take it.
Ma'am, means we have to put a comma and then leave a space.
Moksh, I don't know what's wrong with you today. What's wrong? Tell me.
Ma'am, in my everything is right, but it's showing 0 after 10.
These are the people who have not listened to the instructions.
Ma'am, my everything is right. Same to same only it is.
Ma'am, I
Use the
can
last
submit
and
use the Google form, but I don't get marks.
Why?
Ma'am, I don't get.
Didn't get. Wait. I'll tell you all the marks. I have received only 13 forms yet.
Ma'am, we can submit.
Yeah, submit. So Vedant has got 8. Kian, as usual, doesn't switch on his camera, doesn't answer. Mute is got 2. Anay Nair has got 0 because he did not listen. He had a network connection. Granth 9, Vishrut 9, Viva 8, Rajveer Lahoti 4, Nikhare 0, Nishwa 8, Niva 8, Dhyan 8, Bhavya 8,
Ma'am, mine was
Bhutan 0, Tej 10. Tej has got 10. Amazing. Tej, amazing.
Thank you.
Manya 8. Why he has got 10? Because I saw that all the while I was giving instructions, his camera was on.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Manya.
Ma'am, I have put in the second and third are sitting. Then I have put the comma space and written are eating and the number with space. So it is showing me wrong.
Because there wasn't any space after the comma. I told. It's okay. Yeah, Bhavya, what's your question?
Nothing, ma'am.
Divit, tell me.
Ma'am, can you say my name?
Where? I have not received your...
Hello, ma'am.
did you
Ma'am.
submit?
Hello, ma'am.
1 minute.
Yes, ma'am. I can submit.
Divit, Divit. No, Divit, I have not received your form. Go to the form and submit. Yes, Moksh, what's your question?
Ma'am, today in the form I have means in that comma putting in that question that we have to means because when we are writing a sentence after a comma we leave a space and then start again.
So
that's why I was asking that we have to put a space after the comma.
see, Moksh, when a teacher gives you instruction, forget everything and listen just to the teacher. Forget the rules. Do what she says. Do what she tells you to do. Forget everything else. What is there, how it is done, otherwise. No. Listen to the teacher. That's it. Anybody else has questions?
Ma'am,
All those who have submitted can leave.
ma'am, in my
Bye, 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 bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
And
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Who is this?
in
Ma'am, Bhavya.
all right, but
No, ma'am, Rajveer Nikhare.
Yes, Vihan, tell me now. What's your problem?
I have done every right, but it is showing still zero.
What is it showing?
Zero.
Why? You tell me why is it showing zero? Why is it showing
I
zero?
have done comma, I think.
Huh?
Before the numbers, I've done comma.
Let me check. Vihan. Vihan, you submitted your form, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, that is your mistake because you did not listen to the instruction that I gave 10 times. You were busy doing the form.
No, I listened.
Did you? Okay, you listened. Did you see the example? Do you see a comma in the example?
No.
Then why did you put comma? You did not see also. You did not hear also. I repeated 10 times, I think, today. The whole period I was repeating instructions only.
I listened, but I was a little bit confused. I think after every dash it is put comma and write. I thought that.
So what does it show? Our listening skills are not good. Our writing skills are good, but our listening skills are not good. We don't listen to the teacher. Danya, Divit, have you finished?
No, ma'am. I am on 6 number.
Ma'am, just checking, just submitting in a minute.
Okay. Finish, beta. I have a class. Okay, children, the time is up. You have another class. You can submit it whenever you finish.